Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Outlook tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to show BCC in Outlook. This is actually quite simple. And for this I open a mail in Outlook so that we can see that there is currently no BCC option displayed. To show BCC in Outlook we simply stay in the mail, click on the Options tab, and in the Show Fields group we find the option for BCC. If I click on this, the BCC field is permanently displayed in my Outlook mails. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.